Hello, friends. Are you ready to learn numbers? Let's count from 1 to 10 with fun and smiles. Number 1. One bright sun shining in the sky. Can you say it with me? 1. Here comes number 2. Look, 2 colorful balloons flying up high. Let's count together. 1, 2. Yay! Number 3. Apple, apple, apple. Wow! 3 shiny red apples rolling in. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Great job! Number 4. Look at the ducks swimming happily in the pond. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quack, quack. Number 5. Star, 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 star. 5 sparkling stars shining bright in the sky. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing! Number 6. Car, 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 car. 6 colorful toy cars driving around. Beep, beep. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Woohoo! Number 7. Rainbow, 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 rainbow. Look, 7 beautiful rainbows shining in the sky. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So pretty. Number 8. Flower, 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 flower. 8 lovely flowers blooming one by one. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow! Number 9. Butterfly, 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 butterfly. 9 colorful butterflies flying all around. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Beautiful! Number 10. 10 smiling faces, all happy like you. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Great work! You did it. You counted from 1 all the way to 10. Great job, my little friends. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye. Yay! You did a great job. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a fun learning video. See you next time, friends.